How to check recent activity on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your recent activity on iPhone, whether you want to review app uses or check your device's activity log. I've got all the details, so let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at your app uses. If you want to see which apps you've used recently and for how long, head over to your settings, scroll down and simply tap on screen time. This feature tracks your activity, including the time spent on apps and websites. Now, once you're in your screen time, simply tap on See All Apps and Website Activity. And here you'll see a breakdown of your app uses over the past day or week, including how much time you spent on each app. You can see which apps were used most frequently and for how long. It's a great way to monitor your recent activity. Now, another way to check recent activity is through the privacy settings. If you're interested in seeing what apps have accessed your location, photos, or other permissions recently, head over to settings and simply tap on privacy. From here, for example, in location services, you can tap on share my location or scroll down to see which apps have accessed your location recently. Next, let's check your recent purchases and downloads. Simply go back to settings and tap on your name at the top and simply tap on media and purchases and simply click on view account. Then select purchase history to see all your recent downloads and purchases on the App Store. Here you can find everything. Now, if you want to review recent web activity, what you can do is open Safari and tap on the history icon at the bottom, and this is where all the website you visited recently shows, and you can simply tap on any website in history to revisit, and this is useful if you want to see your recent browsing activity. Now, finally, if you want to see recent notifications, simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification center. And here you'll find a list of recent app notification and alerts you've received. And that's it. Now you know how to check your recent activity on iPhone, from app uses to browsing history.